Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to share you how to make an intro YouTube channel. First, you should know intros are very important to have so your audience knows what can show that you have a brand, and dedicated to your channel looking fantastic as well. Let's know about an intro. Length. My maximum length of an intro is 15 seconds. Any more than that and people may click away. I personally like intros that are a bit longer and have a catchy song or some eye-catching transitions and fun clips. Where to put them? Some choose to put it at the very beginning of the video while others wait until about 30 seconds to a minute into the video. First of all, open your browser and type panzoid.com. Then you can see exactly this page. Then click on Open in Clipsmart. Then scroll down and select one of them as you like. Then check and click I button, and click on play button. Now click on check button, and choose the video quality. Then choose the video frame as well. Then click on Objects. And change your channel name. And you guys also you can change music. Go to the music button. And select the music from your computer. At the last, click on the download button. Then select video quality. Click on good quality mode. Then click on Start Video Render. Then sometimes wait, download your video. Then your intro video is ready. Okay, enjoy guys.